to get a wipe and wipe the sour cream. Oh, I got it! Hey,
Hi guys, welcome back to
Tannerites!
And today it is hot. It is really hot outside. And so we have pulled out this slip and slide, and that is a secret mystery box. And so what we're going to be playing is do not slip and slide into the wrong box.
Oh.
We're going to be putting stuff at the very end of it, and that's why you don't want to slip into the wrong box, because there might be ketchup at the end or something nasty to slide into. And so how we're going to play this is we have two slides right here. We have a blue slide and we have a red slide, and we have a magic curtain and magic box. You do not know what's behind that curtain. One of you is going to choose which slide you're going to go down, and if you choose the right one, that's the one without anything at it. So are you guys ready for this?
I'm totally ready for this.
Are you ready to play?
Yeah!
I need one volunteer. Oh, Savannah's it first. Savannah, you go choose an item. I will make sure these guys hide their faces. Look that way, guys. Look that way, look that way. Turn and look that way. Go over there, look that way. And look in the fire pit over there, just for a minute. Savannah's gonna choose an item over here. Whipped cream is what we're gonna start with. Okay, so go over here and put it in. So we're gonna hide it on one of these lanes. Which one are you gonna put it in? Shh, be really quiet. Don't tell them which lane it's in. They're still looking away. They're still looking away. Perfect. Oh, spread it around. Yeah, spread it around. Spread it around. Perfect. All right, guys, I need two more volunteers. Az and Lizzie. Looks like Savannah and Canyon will stay back for a second. Az and Lizzie, choose your lanes, red or blue.
I'll choose blue.
You're gonna choose blue, Az is gonna choose red. Okay, if you chose the wrong one, guess what's going to happen?
One of us are going to be the next volunteer.
Which means you're gonna have to go through the nasty stuff that's at the end. So yours might have the nasty, Lizzie's might have the nasty. Okay, get a run at it. Go back up, back up, back up. You're gonna go at the same time. Are you ready? Far, far, far. Run and slide as fast as you can into that slide. Ready, set, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 that's not fast. That's not fast enough. Oh, Az.
Oh,
Looks like you got into, oh, what is it? Shaving cream? What is it, Az?
whipped cream?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, hop out. This is the little pool that you can clean up in if you really want to.
Lay down, rock down.
Roll around. Oh, is that better?
Yep.
Okay, guess what you get to do next? You get to choose. Choose, choose, choose. Jill, go choose. Are you guys looking away?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Choose your very favorite item or the best item you think, and let's put it in there. Which one do you want to go with? You want to go with those? Okay, unzip it. Let's do this. Okay, Mommy's gonna help you, okay? Yep. Oh, yes.
Hey, you guys,
goggles.
you want to have goggles to play this game?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what goggles do you want?
I want these ones.
Okay.
Okay, it is Canyon and Savannah's turn to go down the lanes.
Oh, there we go. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, Savannah and Canyon. So you're gonna have to help Canyon probably.
Okay. Canyon, are you on the red side? You're on the red.
Wait. We have to get a wipe and wipe it.
Wipe what?
The sour cream.
Okay, we'll clean up in a minute, okay?
All right, Savannah, which one did you choose?
I chose the blue one.
Okay, get ready, Gigo. What about you? What one are you gonna? Whoa! Whoa!
Okay,
Are you okay? Oh no! You're doing red?
Yeah.
Okay, here we
Okay.
go. I'm gonna help you. Okay, ready?
On your mark, get set, go, 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 go! Whoa!
What did you get? Oh, Savannah got the ball. What is this?
Sour cream.
Sour cream? It's not sour cream. It's called, I don't remember what
It's called Cool Whip, whipped cream.
So now let's
Lay down and wash it off your swimming suit. So that
you gonna
means
choose?
you're the chooser again,
Go
Savannah.
hide over there. Go hide. Everybody look away.
I have the perfect
Look away.
idea.
Okay, what?
Looking away?
Chocolate. I get some of this first.
Don't eat it all.
That is so good. I don't want to waste it.
They need it for the slide.
Okay. Choose your lane. Go get it. She wants some too. Look away, Az. Look away. Good job. Good job. That's perfect.
All right. Hey. Okay, go put it back. Hurry.
Az and Lizzie, choose your lane. You can't look yet. Which lane do you want?
I want red. Blue.
Oh, that's perfect. So Az gone red. Lizzie, you're going blue.
Okay.
You gotta get a run at it. Get a run
Here
at
we
it.
go. Ready? Set.
Forward, fast. Ready?
Go forward fast.
Go all the way through it. Ready, set, go. Run
Go,
fast,
go,
fast,
go,
fast,
go,
fast,
go,
fast,
go.
fly, fly, fly.
Az got it again. Let's see.
What'd you get?
What did you?
Chocolate, lots of chocolate. Wash it off, wash it off.
Watch it. Get in the water.
Look at this. This looks like chocolate milk, guys.
Oh, I wonder if it tastes like chocolate milk. Who wants to taste it?
Okay, Az, guess what you get to do next?
What?
You get to choose. Okay, Az, which one do you want? This is already taken. Oh, do you want to do the pickle? Can I eat one first?
Yeah.
Do you want one?
All the way up, 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 up. No, up. Dump it, dump it, dump it.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Look at that.
That's perfect.
Radio!
Savannah and Canyon, which lane do you want, Savannah?
I want the blue one.
Okay, Savannah, or Gigo, you get the red one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready? Want me to help you? Okay, here we go.
No, I will help myself.
Okay, I will help you help yourself, okay?
I will help
Okay,
myself.
Savannah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
Run fast. Go all the way through, all the way through, all the way through. All the way through.
Okay, Gigo, let's see.
Gigo, you got it!
What is it?
Pikachu!
You got the pickles.
Oh, there's lots of nasty pickles there now.
Ew, this is looking so
This
gross.
is a slip and slide right now.
Gigo, are you happy about that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go
You
choose
like
something.
pickles?
Tell everybody to go hide.
Hide! Hide, hide, hide!
What do you want to choose?
I want ketchup.
You want ketchup?
Okay, which side?
The red or the blue? Okay, let's go here. Oh, Gigo.
It's time! It's time! Okay.
Okay, whose turn is it this time? Is it Lizzie and Az?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going red.
Okay, Lizzie's going red. Az? That means you're going blue.
Go, 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 go.
Go,
Oh,
Lizzie, go. All the way through. You gotta go all the way through.
okay, Az. Oh, Az got ketchup
Both got
too.
it, but the lane that Gigo chose was...
The red, so Lizzie gets to choose this time. Wash all the ketchup off. Canyon was a trickster on that one. He
Yeah.
got both of you guys. You guys both got ketchup. Okay, go hide, Az. Lizzie.
Run.
What one do you want to do? Oh, yeah, butterscotch is good. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, come on, Lizzie.
You guys stay over there.
All right, who's up this time?
Gigo!
All right, who's going where?
Where do you want to go?
Red or blue, Gigo?
Blue.
Okay, blue is Gigo.
Okay, red is Savannah.
Oh, I got it!
Oh, you sure did get butterscotch.
Clean it off, clean it off, clean it off.
I put like half the bottle in there. Do I still have it on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All
Gotta get it all
over.
there. Gigo, you didn't get this butterscotch.
Yay, Geek, you stayed clean this time.
Yeah.
Okay, Savannah, your turn to choose. You guys, the rest of you, go
Okay,
and hide.
everyone go hide. Oh, shaving cream. You don't want to taste that one this time?
No way, yuck.
Okay,
Which
what
one?
lane?
Which lane?
Okay.
All right, good job.
Good job, Savannah. Okay, who's gonna be what color?
Me, red.
Az is red. Okay.
Blue.
Savannah or Lizzie's blue. Okay, get ready. Daddy's gonna help you. Az.
Go, fast, fast,
Go,
fast.
go, 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 go.
Oh, you got
Hey, Az, let's see it.
Ready, set, and...
it. Go. You both
Oh, you both got it.
one dirty slip and slide.
Wash it off, splash, splish, splash.
What lane was it supposed to be?
It was supposed to be blue.
So who
We put
won?
some red.
Okay, Lizzie and Az both come over. Savannah, you go hide your eyes. Kiko's already hiding his eyes.
Guys, there's only one item left. What is it?
What is the last item? Oh, slime.
That is...
Okay, guys, this is the last round. I think you should put the slime on both sides so they both get it, don't you think? Okay, yeah, get it all over the place. Oh, look at that. Okay, Lizzie, other side. Other side.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Let's get this
Good
done.
job. Okay.
Here we go. Who's gonna choose which side you gonna choose?
Okay, who wants to go on which side? Savannah's on red, Gigo's on blue.
It's okay, we're done.
This is the last time.
Go down the slide for me. Yeah.
Oh, how
Thank
cute.
you, Az. That was
Tanya's
so
scared to go down.
sweet.
Okay, here we go. Savannah first.
Go, 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 go.
Oh. Get it? Don't clean it up.
Oh!
Ah.
That's
What
crazy.
is it?
We had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Tell us in the comments below who you think won this challenge. Subscribe if you haven't, and also click the little bell so you can know when we are posting. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you so much, and as always, you are worth it. Bye-bye. And I eating cookies. Goodbye.